Hey, welcome to my channel. I'm Veronica Jans, kink and BDSM educator for beginners, and I'm so glad you're here. Regardless if you're the one curious and interested about BDSM, or you have partners who are into it and you're here trying to get yourself educated and to learn the ropes, so to speak, you're in the right place. Literally, on this channel, you'll find tips, tricks, and other educational content to helping you explore kink in a really fun and accessible way. So, if this is what you're looking for, hit the subscribe button to be notified of when new content gets posted every week. Oh, and a little bit about me. I am fully immersed in the BDSM and kink community and have been for over 5 years. So I happen to be in a master-slave relationship 24/7 to an amazing partner, hence this collar that I'm wearing. I have so much that I want to share with you from the BDSM and kink world. On the business side of kink, I am the founder of Desires Laid Bare, a monthly membership community teaching people like you how to explore kink in a really fun, welcoming, and non-judgmental way. And I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below to not only say hi, but to also let me know what you want from this channel. What questions do you have? What is burning inside, or what have you always been curious about that you've been afraid to ask? I would love to help you out.